Cargo details both parties must confirm. Type of cargo: liquid, bulk, hazardous, quantity to be loaded or discharged, loading, discharging, rate, special handle, requirements, temperature, pressure, segregation. This ensure the cargo is handled correctly and safety. What to agree on type, amount, rate of transfer. Example, we will load 5,000 tons of diesel at maximum rate of 3,000 tons per hour. Communication procedures. Establish a relative communication method, radio, phone, hand signal, agree on language to be used, identity, responsible person on both ship and shore. Clear communication helps prevent misunderstandings during operation. What to do, agree. How well communicate. Example, we will use VHF channel 12 for communication. Chief officer, ship and loading, master, shore are the contact person.
Emergency procedures. Emergency shutdown signals and action. Firefighting arrangement. Evacuation plans. Both sides must know exactly what to do in case of an emergency. What to agree on. What to do if something goes wrong. Example, if there is a fire, both ship and shore will activate emergency shutdown and sound 5 short blasts. Safety precautions. Use of personal protective equipment or PPE. Smoking restriction and ignition control. Safe access between ship and shore. Monitoring of gas levels if applicable. This minimizes risk of personnel and equipment. What to agree on. PPE. Smoking rules and safety checks. Example, all personnel must wear helmet, gloves, and safety shoes, and smoking is allowed only in designated area.
Transfer procedures, connection of hoses or loading arms, maximum allowable pressure, start and stop procedures, line clearing or stripping methods, ensures smooth and controlled cargo transfer. What to agree on. How the cargo will be transferred. Example, shore will connect the loading arm and ship will confirm when valves are ready before starting. Weather and environmental conditions, current and expected weather conditions, tidal and current information, actions to take in case of bad weather, prevents accidents caused by environmental factors. What to agree on. What do if weather becomes unsafe. Example, if wind reaches 30 knots, operation will stop immediately.
Responsibilities and watchkeeping. Assign duties to ship and shore. Personnel confirm continuous monitoring during operation. Agree on supervision and reporting. Procedures. Ensures accountability throughout the operation. What to agree on who will monitor the operation. For example, ship will keep a watch of the manifold and shore will have staff monitoring the control room at all times. Pollution prevention measures, spill response equipment, readiness, gateway, and containment system. Procedures for handling leaks or spills, protect the marine environment from contamination. What to agree on. How to prevent spills on pollution. For example, drapery must be in phase and oil Spill kits must be ready before starting the transfer.
Documentation and permits. Cargo plans and manifest safety checklist signed by both parties. Required permits and e.g. hot work in closed space. Ensure compliance with international and port regulation. What to agree on. Required papers and permits. For example, ship and shore. Most boats sign the ship and shore safety checklist and present the cargo manifest. Stopping and completion procedure. Condition for stopping operation emergency stop agreement final check. After loading and unloading, ensure safe shutdown and completion of the operation. What to agree on. When and how operation will stop. For example, to stop operation either party will reduce and stop. After completing, we will drain the hose and close all valves.